national news. A great twist in the Lok Sabha, the decision taken by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Om Birla sir, while consulting the Tourism Minister, Prahlad Patel. They have come on the conclusion that the canteen responsibility from the Indian Railway will be handed over to the ITDC. What is ITDC? ITDC is Indian Tourism Development Corporation. ITDC works for the tourism and it is a government only. It is under the Ministry of Affairs. So it is gone from one government to the another government sector. They have requested to maintain the same quality of the food, and after the ending of the subsidies after the 2017, there is a benefit to the parliament around rupees 17 crore added in this report. And there are 48 menus in the food, and ITDC is also running the luxurious 5-star hotel like Ashok group of hotels in the Delhi. International news. France have been supported by the Indian government. Indian government released a circular in which they have given a statement that our condolences with the teachers' family, and the France is on a good path, and the terrorist is anywhere from the any part of the world, it will be opposed by the any government in this whole planet. This has been this statement given by the India, and now India is supporting the France, the president of the France, Emmanuel Macron, in the new bill related to the Islam. So where every Muslim majority country have been against the France, now India took the initiative and they are supporting the France, because France have also supported in the UN after the Pulwama attack, where Masood Azhar have been the global terrorist by the UN norms, and also there is a military purpose. They have a deal of the Rafale, and the Sukhrayan one, they have a future in 2026, the plan also. In this manner, the ties between both the countries have become more stronger. Defense news. China Army Chief, United States of America Army Chief says on the crisis communication by the Chinese Defense Ministry. Mike Pompeo, External Affairs Minister of the United States of America, is on the journey to Sri Lanka and Maldives to overpower the strategy of the China in the Indo-Pacific region. Again, in the statement, China gave that relation between the India and United States of America are trying to make a strong ally against them. And Indian Army has received 11,000 trucks in the cold from the United States America. And the statement given by the Nagorno and Karabakh region by the Armenian soldiers, death toll to the above 1,000. Sports news. In the absence of the Cristiano Ronaldo, Juventus loses to the Barcelona in the leading of the Lionel Messi by 2-0 in the home. After the positive getting from 2 weeks, the match took place, but in absence of Ronaldo, Juventus lose the match. And Uchishima, the Japanese gymnast, have been founded COVID-19 positive ahead of the key meeting. Whole group of the India in the Shore Lorlux Open have been quarantined due to the scare of the COVID-19. And Suryakumar Yadav have played a brilliant inning, being not out and lead to the Mumbai Indians for a win against the RCB and for the qualification. Thank you.